Hey guys, good day to you. And this video will give you an idea about the new Landsat 9 and the how to download Landsat 9 data and how to do a band combination using the Arc GIS. First of all, Landsat 9 is the last satellite, functional satellite in the Landsat series, and it produces images a little bit more better than the Landsat 8 in short description when it comes to radiometric resolutions to some bands, but it is providing the same bands with the same spatial resolution. One of the benefits of having the Landsat 9 and Landsat 8 functional together is reducing the Landsat temporal resolution to half actually. Instead of having one satellite in the same orbit surfing around the Earth, we'll now have two satellites, and we could reduce the temporal resolution for the Landsat from 16 days to 8 days. Temporal resolution is the time the satellite takes to record the same scene on the same location. And we'll do a simple search here. Now we're giving an idea about how to download Landsat 9 data using the United States Geological Survey, USGS. Okay. Simple search in Google, USGS, and we'll go to the Earth Explorer, and it requires a simple registration. I'll just register. I'll just sign in, and by default it gives you a location over the United States. We go to Egypt. Let's pick a scene in the south. That's in Aswan Governorate. First of all, the launch date for the Landsat 9 was back in September 2021. First data provided for Landsat 9, we can say it's around November 2021. Instantly, there was no data available for the public to download. It's starting from November 2021, we started to have data. On the left side here, this is the panel where you can search, control the search on the data available. You have a lot of cool features here. You can search with the KML or KMZ, search with the shapefile, make the data range, the start date and the end date of the period you'd like to make a search, and cloud cover as well. Okay, you can simply click on a couple clicks here on the map, creating more like a small polygon. That's maybe the area of interest you're interested in searching on. And we'll go to the data set. Let's download Landsat 9. We'll go to Landsat, just expand. And we're looking for Landsat collection 2. I usually prefer downloading level 1. Difference actually between level 1 and level 2. On level 2 there is a little bit of more analysis already made on the image. So there is also analysis made on level 1 data. This is not raw data just provided from the satellite, but on level 2 there is more analysis made, like atmospheric correction and all sorts of stuff like that. I usually prefer downloading the And also, by the way, I also prefer downloading the level one, and the panchromatic band is also not available in level two. Okay, I'll just click here and additional criteria. You can control the results here, but this provide us with Landsat 8 and Landsat 9. We want to have a look on the Landsat 9, so have a look here, quick search. Okay, let's go back. So, on the 20th of November 2021, that's how far we can go back. Okay, that's the most recent image. Have a look here. Okay, have a quick preview. Click on download, product options, and we can download the whole scene here from this button. I already downloaded this image. I have it here. I extracted the file, and here the image content. Here with the test format, all the bands here we have. So these are the first 9 bands. We usually have also on the Landsat 8. We'll try to do the normal forced color, true color composition, and false color composition, and color infrared, using the blue and green and red and infrared bands. Load here the arc map. Okay, we'll go to search icon, search for band, composite band, bands tool, and we'll go to the image location, click on the first 5 bands and add them. Load for a while. Okay. I usually prefer putting the sequence 5, 4, 3, 2, and image here. Okay, 0, 1, and sat 9. I'll usually put the extension here. .tif, or we can put it as img. And save. Don't forget to add extension, especially if you're dealing with the Arc GIS and tools like this. Not always giving you an option here to pick which extension you would like to have the raster data exported to. Otherwise, you'll use the default extension. Okay. I usually have the option in the Arc map of having this processing to be done in the background. Also, you have the option to refuse not to have the process made in the background, and for you to have a look on it while it's made. If you click on geoprocessing and click options, as I recall it, you'll have the option to turn off the background processing. Once it finishes, I'll give you an idea about it as well. I'm building the pyramid layer. Okay. And here we go. Anyway, processing, geoprocessing options. And just disable this. Okay, so that's the false color composition, color infrared. And that's the true color. 432 and 543. Yes. Now we knew a few things about the Landsat 9, how to download the images, and how to do a band combination using the composite bands tool in the Arc GIS. See you in the next video. Peace be with you. Bye.